Here's how I turn 5 pounds of fruit scraps into a nice, delicious herbal tea. Watch this. First, I like to rinse off all of my fruit. Now, I shop at the farmer's market for my fruit, so I know that stuff's been sitting out all day. So I gotta give it a nice scrub, get any type of dirt, debris, whatever, off that skin, and then I like to slice it up just like this. Use whatever fruit that you want, but I always like to have pineapple in this, a little bit of apple, some grapefruit, whatever fruits you want to use, even some vegetables. I just had some carrots left over, so I added those skins to the scrap pot right there. You can even use the stems from your strawberries. The banana peel goes right in that pot as well. Nothing goes to waste. Now bring a large pot of water to a boil. Then start adding your fruit scraps right to that boiling water. Once everything gets nice and situated, you want to add something a little extra. And that's the Vital Spice Daily Blend, which is an all-natural herbal seasoning that includes black pepper, turmeric, ginger, mint, basil, and so much more. It's great for your immune health, improves digestion, and it's perfect for this tea. Grab that Vital Spice from UncleDibs.com. Let your tea simmer on low for 20 minutes and then strain it just like this. The best thing about this tea, besides the taste, is that it's going to have your home smelling absolutely amazing. I like to drink mine over ice with a little fresh lemon squeezed on top. You can get this full recipe plus more wellness recipes in the link in my bio. That's good, shorty.